Hey guys, so really quick I'm gonna show you guys how I make my Fosca oats. So I have 4 cups of water boiling. I'm gonna boil the water first, and while the water is boiling, I'm gonna take my Fosca oats and mix it in some milk until the water comes to a boil. So now I'm just gonna mix it, pour the milk, mix it, and then wait for the water to come to a boil. I am using almond milk. Okay, so it's been a few minutes. As you can see, it's becoming thicker. It's getting thicker. It's boiling. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add, you can add either, depending on the taste that you want, you can add vanilla, you can add, or you can add cinnamon. I'm going to do cinnamon. A little bit of nutmeg. Okay guys, porridge is all done. Or your oats is all done. It's very thick.